Morning guys, October 13th, 2023. This one here, I gotta go back to a job I was at yesterday. I replaced some water pipe for a guy that was leaking in the basement, and he was there working with me, and he went upstairs and bled all the water lines, and he had hot and cold to the kitchen sink and hot and cold to all the faucets. And I left, and he called me last night and said there's no hot water to the kitchen sink, and he's got hot water going to the dishwasher. So he said he disconnected the line going to the sink, and there's nothing coming out the faucet. So I'm thinking that the hot water faucet must have a blockage in it, the shutoff underneath the hot water faucet under the kitchen sink. So we're gonna go there and shut the water off and replace that shutoff under the sink. It was working yesterday when I left. So, I mean, it gets all kinds of like cholesterol built up in there, and might have been a plaque that let loose. Thing had a flipping heart attack. Blockage. That shit happens, you know. You got blockages in your veins. Same thing with the pipes. So I think that's what's happened over there. And like he said, it was working yesterday when I left, and then last night it just the hot water side. So we're gonna go double check it before I take anybody's word for something. We're gonna double check it and make sure it's
Turn left on Rock Avenue.
What he says it is. It's not something else. Maybe it's the washer that let loose. Maybe it's just a washer. We'll figure it out. We'll do the least invasive thing, if possible. Whatever's the least invasive. I'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. It's a callback job, Molly. It's a callback job at Molly. Yeah, it is. Nothing. Coal works.
I took those, like I said to you earlier, I took that off.
You took them off and it was still nothing?
Yep, nothing. Before you left, I tried everything.
We'll try it. I'll do it myself just to check it. What's going on with it? Whew. You never know, huh? I don't know. How's the pain level?
It's alright.
Same shit.
More of a dull, achy feeling.
Maybe it's the rabbit pissing on this thing. Could be the rabbit, no? Rabbit jumping out, pissing on it. Doing it in. Was she laughing?
I said he's a good boy.
The old rabbit piss will do wonders to you, you know. Where did you disconnect it? At the faucet or at the faucet, the shut off?
At the shut off.
And it still wouldn't work, huh?
Nope, no water coming from downstairs.
We didn't. We tied everything in. Whoa! I got water coming here. I bet you it's the. I got water.
Water coming from where? The faucet?
Nothing.
Yeah, I don't know.
Look at that, huh?
Weird as shit.
That is weird. We didn't play around with no shutoffs downstairs, did we?
No, I traced it all back. And the shutoffs are open.
I should be able to put my screwdriver in there, and if there's any shit in there, clear it. Flipping water will be coming out like a gangbuster if I do that. Are you ready? It was just loaded with shit, guy.
Where?
Yeah, I've put my screwdriver in it. It's working now. Cholesterol. Wow. Look at that shit. Did you see that?
Yeah.
I did it. That's what you call doing it on the fly.
Because that valve is still open right now. There's nothing coming out.
Well, no, but it's gonna work now. Shut it off. Working good now, right?
Fucking hell yeah, it is.
I just had to give it a little how you doing there. I just put my screwdriver in it and just give it a little. All right.
Yeah. Fucking hell.
Well, it was just odd. It gets like
The shut-off's not even that old though.
Well, I mean, it's just cholesterol.
Just shit that was in the pipe.
You got any cholesterol in your veins? Any calcium in your veins? You never get it checked?
I got high cholesterol like a fuck.
You ever have your calcium score checked on your veins? Yeah. How high is yours? High?
It was a few years back, but I cut out red meat and it's gotten better now.
Just cutting out red meat?
Yeah.
They got you on that statin shit?
They wanted to. I said, I ain't going on that.
You just said no way. You just changed your diet. How it come way down or it's still high?
I dropped it 90 points.
Wow.
Yeah, just cutting out red meat.
Yeah, I don't want to.
I mean, I still eat red meat, but I don't eat it every day like I was.
Oh, you were eating it every day and it was high?
I wouldn't say every day. I was probably eating it, I don't know, 3 times a week.
You think that red meat's a problem? I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I don't know. You think it? So now that you change it, you're better. I mean, maybe for you it is.
Eat chicken and fish.
Yeah, they want you to get on that fucking statin shit. I think that they make money on that.
Fuck that.
Huh?
They ain't getting me on that.